Did you know that if you take a 4-digit number, to convert it into its descending order, then ascending order, and subtract the bigger number with the smaller, descending with the ascending order, you'll get and repeat this process at least 7 times. Sorry, maximum 7 times, you will get the same number 6174. Now, if you don't understand, we will have a breakup of these things in this video. So, welcome you guys to this video. Now, that phenomenon is called Kaprekar Constant. For this, we at least need a 4-digit number with at least 2 different numbers. So, I take 2, 4, 3, 6, convert it into its descending order, ascending order, then subtract the bigger number by the smaller, or the descending by the ascending order. Now 4086, same process, descending order subtracted by the ascending order, and now we get 7972. Now the same process, descending order subtracted by the ascending order, you will get 6993. Now after this, you will convert it into descending and ascending, you will get 6264. Again repeat the same steps, you will get 4176. Now if you do it 4176, you will get 6174, and that was what you are looking for. Now if you count the steps, there is exact 7 steps. Now try with this number. Now if you do this, now you can impress your friends. And thank you for watching this video.